So this is euro dollar analysis for Friday the 31st of August. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had price come towards this 1710, rejected 1710 on a couple of tests, retested, held as resistance around 1710. We did see a breakdown beneath the 1660, did actually come in towards the 1640s, from which we found support, broke above the 1660s, tested 1660s here on the euro dollar, and after testing the 1660 here, we've held the supports and we do appear to be breaking away from this 1660. So if we do see this continuation here to the upside, we're looking for a move up towards that 1710. Successful break from which we then look for price head up towards that 1728. And if we do see bullish buy side momentum tickets beyond the 1728 here to the upside, we are looking for a test of that 1771 here on the euro dollar. At present, I wouldn't expect price to move much beyond 1771, but if there was sufficient volatility to bring us beyond 1771, we would then look for price to head up towards that 1830 here on the euro dollar. If, however, we don't see that continuation here to the upside, and what we do instead see is we do encounter resistance in and around at 1710. We do see a break back down. We'll see if a 1660 does hold for support. If we do fail to hold 1660 for support, we're then looking for prices to break down towards possibly that 1612 here on the euro dollar. In around that 1612, we've also got the 200 period moving average, which could act as a dynamic level of support and see a bullish buy side momentum return to the market from that level. Wouldn't anticipate price moving down towards our 1578, but that will be the very next level of note if there is sufficient volatility to bring us beyond that 1612. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. So here on this daily chart, we can see we've had a sharp move down towards that 113. Pretty sharp reversal here to the upside, brief pullback, strong continuation, breaking towards that 1728. In around that 1728, we have previously encountered a resistance. We had this brief consolidation before we did see the breakdown. We've come up towards the 1728, had a bit of a pullback, tested the 400 period moving average here on the daily chart. We've had a brief reaction yesterday from that 400 period moving average, and what we have seen is a bit of bullish buy side follow through so far today. So we'll see whether we continue to maintain this bullish momentum in a bit of a flag pattern. We do see a break to the upside here on the euro dollar. Overall, the more recent trend has been to the upside, gone into a bit of a consolidation below this 1710. So if we can continue to hold on to the 1660 and that 400 period moving average confluence, we are looking for potential break to the upside, breaking beyond 1728 and possibly even seeing move towards 1771 or even at 1830 here on the euro dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.